Hi friends, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Deepti Vlogs. So today, as you all know, I've started a new series called Bachelor Cooking Series. So the next dish which I'm going to be sharing today is going to be poha or Aloo Upma. So this is a very basic dish and it's very easy for children who are living alone abroad, and you need very minimal ingredients for this, and it's very easy to make. So as you all can see here, the ingredients are ready. So you just need 2 onions, a medium sized potato, some green chilies, this is according to your spice, whatever you can take, and some curry leaves and coriander. This is optional because if it is not available in the place where you are staying, you can omit it. It'll still taste very good. And of course the poha. And for soaking, I'm going to be using a large bowl like this and a colander so that it will not get over soaked. So the main ingredient obviously is poha. So you can see here I have taken the medium poha, that is, you get 3 varieties of poha. One is very thin, it is also called paper poha. Then the other one is medium and you get the thick variety. So I've taken the medium one here, you can see here. So I would also suggest that you guys opt for a medium or a thick one so that it doesn't get over soaked. So I have measured 1 glass or 1 cup. You can take whatever cup is convenient for you. So I have just put it in this colander. I'm taking another 3/4 cup because we are 4 of us. So for us, I'm taking 1 3/4 cup, or rather you can make it 2. So that's the quantity for 4 people. So as you can see, soaking is the most important part. So I have taken a huge bowl, and in the colander I have put the poha. So as you can see, I'm just pouring water like this. And just make sure it's all in the process. You can even quickly rinse it out. Make sure all the grains are wet. That's it. So you can see here there's water down. So I'll add some more water. So now this can be resting for 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. So here now you can see I've chopped the onions, the potatoes and the green chilies. So now we'll go to the next step. In a kadai I've taken 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'll be adding all the spices one by one. So first we'll add mustard seeds. So wait for the mustard to splutter. In the meanwhile, it's now almost 15 minutes and the poha is like very soft. You can see here, look at the texture. It's very soft and all the water also is drained out completely, and you can see your clean soaked poha is ready here. So you can just keep it aside, and you don't have to waste this water. You can use it for watering the plants. So you can see here I've added mustard and chana dal and urad dal. So here again it's optional. So you can add just mustard and jeera also, because in the place where you are staying, if all this is difficult to get, then just add mustard and jeera. It's more than enough. Now the dals are golden brown. So now I've added green chilies and onion. So once the mustard splutters and all the dals become golden brown, you can quickly add the curry leaf, the green chilies and the onion. Now you have to fry it till the raw smell goes. So don't fry it too much, just till the raw smell of the onion goes. You have to just keep frying it on medium flame. Don't keep high flame, because if you end up burning the onions, your poha will taste really bad. So cook the onions until they turn slightly golden, or rather glassy. So you can see here it started to cook. Add turmeric powder, that gives a very nice color. So if you have frozen peas also, you can add, it will really look very nice. Some people would want to add even carrots and tomatoes, that is also fine, but today I'm just teaching a very basic recipe, and it is up to your creativity to add whatever other vegetables you want. You can add groundnuts also. I'm not showing groundnuts because some people might have peanut allergy, so I'm just omitting groundnuts. But as I said, I'm just showing the basic recipe, so you can add whatever you want. You can add vegetables of your choice, like how you do for pulao, and you can do that. It will become a wholesome meal, and you can have it for lunch or dinner also. So just have a nice thick curd and you can have it. It's very healthy, filling and delicious also. So as you can see here, the onions have turned kind of pink. So just for 5 to 7 minutes, just keep stirring it on medium flame. They get nicely, the raw smell is gone. Now I'm going to add in the potatoes. So you can see here I've added the potatoes also now. Nicely stir them and mix well so that it gets coated nicely, and cut the potatoes like this into small pieces so that it gets cooked faster, because whenever you're staying alone, you have a lot of other things to do. You'll have a lot of assignments and all that, so it's always better to cut your vegetables into as small pieces as possible so that your cooking time is reduced. So now I'm just going to reduce the flame a little bit. You can see it's already started to smoke, and now I'm going to add salt. So I've added 1.5 teaspoons of salt here, and since the poha is not having any salt yet, once you mix the poha, you can always add more salt if need be, but right now I've just added enough salt for the potatoes, like as if you are making a potato curry. So I've just added enough salt for this mixture right now. So once you add the salt, the cooking time becomes faster. So now just add a little bit of water. So at this stage, I'm just going to add a very little bit of water just for the potatoes to cook. And if you have hot water, it's always better to add hot water because you can reduce the cooking time. That's the idea. Now see here, I've just added enough water for the potatoes to cook. Now cover it with the lid and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes on low flame. See, you can see here the potatoes are nicely boiling away. So just keep stirring it so that they don't get stuck at the bottom. Then again close it for 5 more minutes. So friends, you can see here the potatoes have really cooked well. They have become nice and soft. So now is the right time to add the poha. So you can see it easily breaks also. See, so soft and well cooked. So now I'm going to add the soaked poha. So I've added the soaked poha, and now nicely stir it so that the poha gets mixed with the aloo and onion mixture. So nicely, gently mix it. You can see how soft the poha is, and like I said, soaking is the most important thing, and this is a very foolproof method. Like, you will never go wrong in soaking your poha, and very simple yet very nutritious and filling dish, and very satisfying also. So now I'm going to stir, and I'm going to now check the salt again. This is the right time to check the salt. So if needed, I will add some more salt. So you can see here The awesome poha is ready. Avil upma, avalaki uppittu, whatever you want to call. So it's nice and delicious, and the texture is amazing. Now there are just two more things to be added, and these are again optional, like I said. One is a lot of coriander leaves that adds to the flavor, obviously, and then a pinch of sugar. Like I said, a pinch of sugar. So sugar will make sure that all the taste combines very well. And at this stage, those who like your poha to be a little bit tangy can also add lemon juice. But I generally don't like it so tangy, so I just stop it here. But those who like a little bit of tanginess, you can go ahead and add lemon juice. It will taste amazing. So this is your basic poha. From now on, it's up to you. You can add fried groundnuts, you can add some save to top it up, and some people like even raw onion on top of it. They add raw onion on top of this also. So now come, let's plate it. So friends, that's the plating of this humble yet nutritious dish, aloo poha, and you can have it with nice thick curd. So this curd must be easily available for your kids. So make it, try it out, and I'm sure this time you will not fail making your perfect poha. So enjoy your meal, and all the best for your assignments, and stay healthy and stay safe. Bye.